In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneDrive language. We'll change OneDrive's display language for your Microsoft account using the web interface. This sets the language Microsoft shows in OneDrive and may also apply across other Microsoft experiences tied to your account, so it's a handy way to keep things consistent. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft OneDrive website, the personal file sharing and cloud storage page for OneDrive. When the page loads, choose Sign In and log into your Microsoft account. After you're in, you'll land in your OneDrive Files view. Look to the upper right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Click the gear to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, select Settings to open the full OneDrive settings area. Depending on your account and where you start, you might briefly be taken to a storage or account page. If that happens, simply click the gear icon at the top right again and choose Settings once more. The goal is to reach the OneDrive settings where language can be adjusted. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Change Language and click it. OneDrive will redirect you to the Microsoft account language selector. This is where you choose the display language for your account. On the language selector page, pick your preferred language from the list. Confirm or save your choice when prompted. Once you've done that, return to your OneDrive tab. If the interface doesn't update right away, refresh the page. In some cases, you may need to close and reopen the tab or sign out and back in for the change to take full effect across all pages. A couple of tips to keep everything smooth. If you're using a work or school account, your organization's policies may influence which languages are available. If the option is missing, contact your administrator. If OneDrive still shows the old language after you save the new one, clear your browser cache, or try a private window to force the new language files to load. And remember, this setting primarily applies to the web experience. The OneDrive desktop or mobile app may follow your device language or require you to restart the app to see the change. That's it. You went to the OneDrive site, signed in, opened the gear menu, navigated to Settings, chose Change Language, and selected your preferred language.